Hi friends, hello, welcome on your favorite channel Speech for Students. This is Amrita and I'm back with another interesting video. So friends, today I'm going to share simple and easy 10-line speech on Swami Vivekananda. You can also use this speech for the topic of my favorite leader Swami Vivekananda. But before we start, if you have not yet subscribed, then subscribe. By subscribing, click on the bell icon on all notifications to get the updates of my new videos. If you like the video, do like it by giving your big fat thumbs up. Also share it with your friends and relatives on WhatsApp and Facebook. So let's get started. 10 lines on Swami Vivekananda, or my favorite leader Swami Vivekananda. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to share a speech on Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was an inspiring and famous Indian personality across the globe. His original name was Narendranath Datta, born on 12 January 1863 in Kolkata. He was influenced by his guru Ramakrishna Paramhans. Swami Vivekananda was a spiritual leader and social reformer. He was a great thinker, great orator, and passionate patriot. He introduced Indian philosophies of Vedanta and Yoga to the Western world. He brought Hinduism to the status of a major world religion during the late 19th century. His mission was to encourage the youth to follow tradition and to lead the country responsibly. He is the founder of Ramakrishna Mission and Ramakrishna Mutt in Kolkata, which are still working towards helping the needy. To honor his contributions, his birthday is celebrated as National Youth Day. I will end up with one of the great thoughts of Swami Vivekananda. Arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is achieved. Best wishes on National Youth Day to the young brains and minds of our nation. Thank you friends for watching this video. I have also given the speeches on National Youth Day in 10 lines and 5 lines. You can check it out in the I button and in the description below. Happy National Youth Day! If you really like this video, give your thumbs up and share it. Bye bye. I will come with another interesting video next time.